going to discuss the reactions. We are doing to do first the reactions of, which still we are continuing that acidic properties of alcohol. So now I am going to do the reactions of carboxylic acids. So we know the very first reaction that you are supposed to find out the acidity of any compound, whether it's a weak acid or strong acid, reaction with the active methods. Many acids do not react with bases also if they are too weak, but it will always react with the active method. So reaction with active method. Okay, so alkali metals, then alkaline earth metals, alkaline earth metals like beryllium does not react. So magnesium, calcium, etc. Then aluminium. Then from the other metals like zinc, okay, iron, etc. react with carboxylic acid and liberate hydrogen. React with carboxylic acid and liberate hydrogen. So let me write here now. Say I have taken here acetic acid and I have reacted with sodium. It will give you sodium acetate plus hydrogen. Then it can react with the common metal that is we generally use in our laboratory, zinc. Zinc is always often being used to produce hydrogen. So it will give you zinc OCO CH3 plus hydrogen. Okay. Similarly, benzoic acid will react with sodium to give you sodium benzoate and Okay. Now we'll go for reaction with alkalis. So acid and base will react to give us salt and water. So it will give us reaction with alkali. Okay. She is going to produce salt and water. So suppose I have taken here acetic acid and I have reacted with say calcium hydroxide. So it will give me calcium acetate and water, 2 molecules of water. If I have taken here benzoic acid and if I react with sodium hydroxide, it will give me sodium benzoate and water. Okay, so this is we are doing with the hydroxide. Now, if I have gone for oxides, okay, so if I have gone for oxides, so similarly, if I have taken here acetic acid and if I react it with magnesium oxide, so it will give me magnesium acetate and water. Then if I react with ammonia, in that case you will find you will get the ammonium salt. All carboxylic acid you will get. So I have taken only few. So if I have taken an ammonia, I will get the ammonium benzoate. All right. Now, third reaction with carbonates and bicarbonate. This is important for our practical reaction with carbonates and bicarbonate. Okay. So now, if you have taken sodium carbonate, it will react with sodium. Immediately it will react and it will give you effervescence of carbon dioxide. Okay. Now, if I have taken sodium bicarbonate, the reaction is very, very vigorous. So it will give you this sodium acetate. Okay. So this reaction with bicarbonate is being used as a test to identify carboxylic group in our organic practical. the reaction of carboxylic acid with sodium bicarbonate is used to detect carboxylic group in an organic compound as it produces a strong effervescence as it produces a strong effervescence of carbon dioxide. Okay, finished.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, one more reaction which I'm going to do that is not in your book, but that reaction is always done to detect any acidic compound, no matter whether it is very weak or strong. This is the reaction with Grignard reagents. Reaction with Grignard reagent. When carboxylic acid comes in contact with any Grignard reagent, liberate corresponding hydrocarbon. Okay, so I have taken here R1 mgx, and I'm writing this on ulta. Is R2. Okay, I have been telling you that this alkyl group is electronegative and this is electropositive. Okay, so this is, this is like this and this is like this. So immediately you'll pick up this hydrogen and this is going to break. So what you will get now here? R1 H. So that is the hydrocarbon that you get, hydrocarbon. So if R1 is CH3, you'll get methane. If R1 is C6H5, phenyl, you'll get benzene. And this negative part will come to lignite aluminum. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we'll go to the second part. What is the second part? Is the properties due to the cleavage of carbon oxygen or nucleophilic substitution reaction. Write down B. A we have finished. Capital B. Properties due to the cleavage of carbon oxygen bond or nucleophilic substitution reaction.
So what was that before nucleophilic substitution reaction?
Hello.
What was that before nucleophilic substitution reaction, sir?
Properties due to the cleavage of carbon oxygen bond or substitution
Okay, sir. Thank you.
of OH group. Okay. First we will tell. So let us first write down reaction with HF. See, here is going to carboxylic acid is going to behave like an alcohol because it is having OH group. Okay. One reaction with HF. Alcohol also we have done reaction with HX now. So you will write carboxylic acids do not react with hydrogen halide. You should know. For any type of entrance exam outside halide. It is because the carbon oxygen bond in carboxyl group develops partial double bond character due to resonance. This is not there in the book, but you should know. I told you, no, my students should know everything. What for I'm taking so much trouble for you people? Not to see them as fools. See here. Look. So in that case, you're having a partial double bond character. So HX cannot break it. But it happens in alcohols. So if the paper setter is little intelligent, he may write that why alcohol reacts and carboxylic acid does not react. You have to write this one. It's only a matter of one sentence, and you have to write two structures, finish. Finish.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now, second, reaction with thionyl chloride, phosphorus pentachloride, and phosphorus trichloride, X is equal to Cl, Br, or I. Okay? So, we'll do it thionyl chloride. It immediately reacts. So what is going to happen? When you react with thionyl chloride, I have shown you in alcohol how to do. This is your secret. What you will get now here? It will give you, sorry dear, it will give you acid chloride. Okay? Plus HCl will come in the form of gas. Sulfur dioxide will be there in the form of gas. Okay? This is called acetyl chloride, and IUPAC name is ethanol chloride. Similarly, if I reacted with carboxylic acid, benzoic acid, same thing. With same thing. So you'll do. Name of the product will be benzoyl chloride. Do. This IUPAC name is benzene, sorry, not capital, carbamoyl. Chloride. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we'll do with PCl5. Okay. PCl5. PCl5. Same here. Right here. PCl, Cl, Cl, Cl. So here you get same CH3, COCl, C, POCl3. POCl3 plus HCl. Similarly, you can prepare, if you react with benzoic acid, you will get benzoyl chloride, phosphorus oxychloride. This one, you please write down the name. It's called phosphorus oxychloride. Phosphorus oxychloride. POCl3 is called phosphorus oxychloride. Okay. See, if I react it with say PCl3, you can react with PBr3 also, PI3 also, no problem. PCl3. In that case, very interesting. See, in case of thionyl chloride, one molecule of carboxylic acid reacts with one molecule of thionyl chloride. In case of PCl5 is also 1:1. But when you take PCl3, three molecules of carboxylic acid react with one molecule of PCl3 to give you three molecules of acid chloride, and you get here H3PO3. This is called phosphorus acid. Okay. So now we'll do a very important reaction, and its mechanism is also there in your syllabus. Okay. I don't know what is the reaction. It is hard. Reaction with reaction with alcohol or formation of esters. When carboxylic acids are heated with alcohols in presence of anhydrous acids like HClG. We don't take concentrated HCl, okay? Comma. Concentrated H2SO4. Concentrated H2SO4 is almost anhydrous because it's 98%. Or concentrated H2. This is 100%. H3PO4. Give corresponding esters. Okay. So suppose I have taken here R1 COH and I have taken here R2. I have shown you this mechanism. I have already shown you in alcohol chapter. Okay. This is a reversible reaction. I can write here now HClG or concentrated H2SO4. So it will give you, see here, it will come out and here you get R1 CO R2 plus H2O. Okay. So if you have done this reaction with carboxylic acid, sorry, acetic acid and ethyl alcohol, say concentrated H2SO4, then you use concentrated H2SO4 only because hydrogen chloride gas is difficult to prepare, na? So you will get here now. This mechanism I will not do because it is I have already done in alcohol chapter. Please see from there. You will get here now C2H plus this. So okay, this is called H star. This is name is common name is ethyl acetate and its IUPAC name is ethyl ethanoate. This is benzoic acid. This is methanol. So it will give you this. Okay, there is no space to write its name. I'll write it here. Okay. So its common name is methyl benzoate. And its IUPAC name is, I'm just writing it because to remind you of this nomenclature. It's called methyl, then there will be a gap. Benzene. See, this ester group is outside the main ring. Methyl benzene carboxylic. Methyl benzene carboxylic. Done.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Okay. So now we'll write the board is not becoming clean. Right, reaction with ammonia. Reaction with ammonia. Then right, or formation of amides. Formation of acid amides. With ammonia or formation of acid amides. All right. So we'll write now here. I'll do it one. RCOH. We know ammonia immediately forms ammonium salt. So you will get what? You will get here RCO NH4. So this is the ammonium salt. Okay. This ammonium salt, when you heat it strongly, okay, it undergoes decomposition and loss of molecule of water. You will get now here RCO NH2 plus you get here now acid amide. So now, if you do with acetic acid, then it would give you CH3COONH4. This is called ammonium acetate. This ammonium acetate, if you heat it there, you will get now heat. You get here plus H2O. So this is called acetamide or ethanamide. Acetamide or ethanamide. This is benzoic acid. This is called benzamide. Ash. Sorry. This is called ammonium benzoate, yeah? Ammonium benzoate. Okay? This is called benzamide. IUPAC name is benzene carboxamide. Okay. Done.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we'll do an important reaction. This is there in a textbook and it comes in the exam. Often it comes. Say I have taken a dicarboxylic acid, 1,2-dicarboxylic. You have taken this. This is benzene 1,2-dicarboxylic acid, but popularly known as phthalic acid. Spelling is PH. Phthalic acid or benzene 1,2 dicarboxylic acid, because the carboxylic acid is outside the main ring, so you have to write it as carboxylic. To that, if I add ammonia, 2 carboxylic groups are there. Because of that, I require 2 molecules of ammonia. So you will get now here ammonium salt. Is called ammonium phthalate. Ammonium PH PHALAT. Okay. Now you have heated this one. So both of them will be converted to amide. You will get now here CO NH2 CO NH2 plus 2 molecules of water. This is called polyamide. But this molecule is not stable. See, nitrogen is in lone pair now, so this attacks and knocks out this NH2 group in the it will go up in the form of ammonia. So what you are going to get? You get a cyclic amide. Cyclic amide. So you will get this. You will get this one plus NH. So this nitrogen is common to both the amide. So in that case, we do not call it amide, we call it imide, I-amide. So this is called PH jelly. Done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'll do little extra. Huh? This is for your entrance exam. Same thing, only the molecule is different. See here. This is a elevated dicarboxylic acid. Okay. CH2, CH2 is there. This is called succinic acid. So what you are going to have here? When you react with ammonia, you get here ammonium succinate. Then what you will have here? We call it succinic amide. And what you will get here? We call it succinimide. Okay. This is only for your entrance. ওই বক্সের মধ্যে রাখো কিন্তু আমরা তো সুইচ এরকম কিনা উচিত মানুষ হয়তো আনিয়ে তো হতো না এরকম বড় সুইচ তো সবসময় লাগে আরে দেখ পাওয়া দিবে আমি খুঁজে বের করলাম আগে যে দোকান থেকে পাওয়া যেত পাপু বক্সের সঙ্গে একটু মোটা সোটা হওয়ার একজন মুসলিম বদলুক আসলা তার কাছে পাওয়া যেত relative?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then, hello. Hmm. Now, right next. Formation of acid anhydride. Formation of acid anhydride. Yeah, number I forgot. You put the number. My Bluetooth is also not functioning. Horrible case. Formation of acid anhydride. You will write now. When carboxylic acids are heated strongly in presence of dehydrating agents such as phosphorus pentoxide or concentrated H2SO4, comma, 2 molecules of it lose. Spelling of lose is LWC or what? Or LOC. Lose a molecule of water to form corresponding acid anhydride. Okay? So what we'll get now here? R C O H A C O R P4O10 or concentrated H2SO4. Heat. See dear, what is going to happen? Molecular water goes out and you get here R C O C O R plus 2. This is called acid anhydride. Bluetooth is खाली हो रहा है.
এত টাইট করে প্যাকেটের মধ্যেও ভেঙে যায় আবার নমুনা
এখন বিস্কুট বিস্কুট তার দুজন সে খায় না ওই যে
ওটা তো
হ্যাঁ পরশু দিছি পরে এখানে দিচ্ছি আমি সামনে দিছি কেন খাইছে না
না আমি দেই না তো এগুলো কালকে দিইনি।
যেন কোনো গন্ডগোল একটা হয়েছে শরীর
গুটুকেও না খাই।
তো যত্ন করে না না
হুম
ডান হ্যালো
Yes, sir.
very good. So now we'll do examples more. We'll write now here CH3 acetic acid. Acetic acid, okay? Acetic acid. Then what we'll get here now? We'll get here now acetyl anhydride or known as ethanoic anhydride. Hello? বল হ্যাঁ anhydride, okay? Ladab.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now go for C, capital C. Right, reactions due to carbonyl group. Reactions due to carbonyl group. You know how to write carbonyl group? C double bond O. Reactions due to carbonyl group. Okay? Right. Or reduction of carboxylic acids. Let me clean the board. আচ্ছা বোর্ডটা তো ময়লা লাগছে
কালকে রাত্রে পরিষ্কার করি।
না কালকে না ওখান তো আরো কালা লাগছে না কালকে সকালে পুরো বোর্ড পড়তে হলো written reduction of carbonyl compounds. Write down. Right, carboxylic acid when reduced with catalytic hydrogenation. Carboxylic acid will not write when on reduction with catalytic hydrogenation. You can write here or palladium. Lithium aluminium hydride or diborane. Diborane is what? B2H6. Give corresponding primary alcohol. Remember, when we have oxidized primary alcohols, we got carboxylic acid. So it is just reverse reaction. Primary alcohols. So I'll write like this. I'm getting little tired. So I'll not write separate reaction more. So I'll write like this. It is hydrogen over nickel. I'll write it like this. Li, Al, H4. Then I have to add water. Or I can do with diborane. Here also I have to add water after the reaction is over. Please don't remember, when I write 1, 2, this means we do not add them together. Is one after another. Just two-step reactions. These are two-step reactions. What you are going to get? Okay, I'll write here OH plus 4H. Only 4H. Oxygen will go for with oxygen. I'll give you 2 hydrogen to form water, and the valence, and I'll add 2 hydrogen to carbon because valence of carbon is 4. It will be R, 3, H, 2 hydrogen, and water 2 hydrogen. Like that. Okay. So now you will do this reaction complete. Oh. Finish.
Yes, sir.
Acha.
Yes, sir.
So now see D is there. D. It is reaction due to entire carboxylic acid. This is not in your syllabus, so I'll not do it. But the summary which I'll send to you, this contains this one. Please see, So this is all I have done for entrance exam, and everything is written very nicely. So I directly go to E. What was E? It is the reactions due to alpha hydrogen of aliphatic carboxylic. The 2 parts were there. Reactions due to alpha alpha hydrogen atom of aliphatic carboxylic acid. Alpha, right now, yeah, halogen. Alpha hydrogen atoms of aliphatic carboxylic acids can be substituted by chlorine or bromine on reaction with chlorine or bromine in presence of red phosphorus E4. This reaction is called hell. I don't know why his mother has kept his name as hell. Vollhard. See, in German language, V is not being pronounced as V. It's being pronounced as F, like Volkswagen. You don't call it Volkswagen. Volkswagen. Hell Vollhard. Jerinsky. So suppose I have taken acetic acid and I react it with chlorine in presence of red phosphorus, then I will get chloroacetic acid. Again, if I react, then I'll get here dichloroacetic acid. Again, if I react, you will get here trichloroacetic acid. Okay? You get this one. So acetic acid, you'll write the name. Everything I cannot do. Acetic acid, chloroacetic acid, dichloroacetic acid, trichloroacetic acid. Same reaction you do with bromine. Then after that, today is over because army school students have to attend class at 9 o'clock.
Thank you, sir.
Hello? Hello? Wait for okay. HB this is halopholygenesis reaction, no? In short form, it's called HVZ. Finished
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
and goodbye. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow little portion I'll do of the electrophilic substitution reaction, because today if I continue, then this admissible student must take little breakfast before their class starts. Okay, tomorrow I'll finish and tomorrow I'll start amines. Let me first finish the organic. Okay, good day.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.